Welcome to another video. Today I have another half day off and I'm off to Yorkshire Dales and it's sunny. I can't believe how lucky I am considering we are less than a week away from the Christmas. Let's start the engine and let's roll on. So just to give you a quick update on modifications for my car, I've got the side stickers and the only thing I'm waiting for really is a good weather and a couple of hours of free time when I can go and do it. It's pretty cold, so I'm not really keen on doing it right now because I will be using the wet method of sticking them, so I won't make a mistake and not mess them up. However, because of that, you have to dry them and you have to warm them up after all to get rid of all of the water excess and the bubbles of air. So I might do it before Christmas if I have some time, but if the weather's not any better, I don't think I will be doing it this year. Probably wait until a bit warmer days and then do it then. The next modification is the rear spoiler. So I have placed an order for a rear spoiler, a carbon one, 3D design. Unfortunately, that is on a back order, so I purchased it through apparently UK seller who's getting them from China and then reselling them here. However, when I was buying it, I was made aware that they are on a back order and they won't be available for about 2 weeks. Unfortunately, they are still not here. They are apparently now with border control. So I will have to wait a bit longer. I was given an option to cancel my order. However, I don't really want to do it, and I was offered additional discount if I'm willing to wait another week or so. So in regards to the resonator delete, I'm still considering it as something I want to do, but I'm still not 100% convinced it will be the right choice. I'm worried about the cold starts, that they will get even more unsociable, and I'm worried about the fact that the contact bangs will be much louder, and the third worry is about a drone. I know you can switch it into the comfort, which should hopefully reduce the whole drone again like it does it with MP. However, I'm still not 100% convinced. What I would say is, if one of you live not far away from North Yorkshire and you have MP or you have your back box modified and you did resonator delete as well, if you are willing to meet with me, I'm happy to pop in where you live, and if you would let me to listen to your car just to reassure myself, so I can reassure myself it's a right choice, I would really appreciate it. So yes, please stay in touch. So let me know what you think about this video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel again. That is really helping me to grow it. Have a lovely time with your family during this Christmas. I hope the Santa will treat you well and you will get really good presents, and I see you soon. Thank you.